Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Ann Reardon's unique approach to baking and debunking. She brings a refreshing dose of reality to the often over-the-top world of online food content, meticulously testing viral recipes and food hacks to show whether they actually work. Ann uses her extensive food science background to explain why certain techniques succeed or fail, providing valuable insights for home bakers. Her channel is not just about entertainment. It's about empowering you with knowledge, ensuring you can trust the recipes you follow and understand the science behind them. Ann Reardon excels at taking those extravagant, visually stunning internet food fads and putting them to the test. She often shows how these creations, which look effortless online, are incredibly difficult or even impossible for the average home cook to replicate without advanced skills or specialized equipment. For example, she might try a cake decorated with 1,000 tiny elements, clearly demonstrating the hours involved and the precise techniques required. Her goal is to expose misleading viral content, saving you time, money, and frustration in your own kitchen experiments. While known for debunking, Ann also offers a treasure trove of practical baking wisdom and genuinely achievable recipes. She provides clear, step-by-step guides for everything from classic cakes to intricate desserts, often simplifying methods that might seem daunting. For instance, she can show you how to temper chocolate perfectly using a simple microwave method, or explain the science of whisking egg whites to achieve stable meringue. Her focus is always on making baking enjoyable and successful, equipping you with skills that deliver consistent, delicious outcomes in your own kitchen. Ultimately, Ann Reardon's channel is about empowering you, the home baker. She not only exposes the unrealistic, but also teaches you foundational skills, helping you approach new recipes with a critical eye and newfound confidence. You will learn to question sensational claims and understand the basic principles that govern successful baking. Her engaging style makes learning fun, transforming potential kitchen disasters into valuable lessons, so you can enjoy the creative process and produce delicious results every single time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.